Alright guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about another CPA marketing method using Twitter, and you can use another website to get more engagement for your post. So when you post something on Twitter, you need to get more engagement in order to promote your post to lots of people so they can click the link, take action, and you get paid for that. So if you are creating a new Twitter account, it's harder to promote your post because you don't have many followers. It will take a couple of while in order to get more attention, more followers, to get organic traffic to your CPA affiliate links. But if you are starting new, you don't have any followers, you can use this method to get more engagement for your post. Once you post get more engagement, Twitter will promote your post to lots of people and you can earn money from it, guys. This is another method to make money using CPA, earn money from CPA marketing. So guys, before we get into videos, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video every day or every other day. So subscribe, like, and share this video. And if you want to earn 10 point PayPal money and watch this video until the end, leave a like and see if this video get 100 likes. I will do that giveaway in the next video. So this is my new tip today about top service site to make money if you are living in USA. It's in a CPA offer, but there's a new problem with Twitter now. If you put CPA link, so if you click, this is your affiliate link, if you put there, it won't allow to post your tweet. They said some error with their tweet. Second, even though you post an affiliate link, and Twitter will say that if whenever people click that link, it will say that the link is unsafe. So in order to avoid that, you can build a landing page if you want. So I don't want to spend many time. So here, this is the link tree, similar to the link tree which is called follow page, free to create. Then you can put all the CPA offers here in like one link, and you can share the link without any issue in the Twitter tweet. So this is my Twitter post here that you can see best service site to make money if you are living in USA, and I put this link here. So whenever people click the link, it will automatically redirect to this account. Then people can click any of these accounts and they can sign up for that. You don't get any issue with that because Twitter won't block it, because Twitter recognizes this is a safe link that you can see. Even McAfee is saying that. So now we done that part, but we need to promote this one. We need to get more engagement. The way we can get more engagement, if we're able to retweet this tweet a couple of times. That's why there's a website you can use for free. This website is called You Like Kids. You can do these tasks. You can go to YouTube views, and you can earn points by liking some of your videos or watching some of the videos or subscribe to the account. Or you can do the Twitter followers, retweet the someone else's tweets, or you can SoundCloud likes or Pinterest post, something like that. You can do these tasks and you can earn points. YouTube is normally gonna get you around 28 to 30 points. YouTube likes gonna get you around 15 points. Subscribers gonna get you around 20 to 30 points. So you can do a couple of tasks and you can earn points. This is my dashboard. You can see all 185 points. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spend that points to get more retweet to my tweet here. And you need to understand here, in this website you can't withdraw the points to money. Just you earn points and you can exchange your points for your task. So you can click here to earn points doing these tasks, and you can go to this section here, add or edit size. You can exchange the point for you. So you can see here, I want to exchange a point for Twitter retweets. So this is here. What you have to do now, this is the part you need to copy in your retweet URLs. You need to copy the last part. There's a number behind your URL. So copy that, go back to this section, and what you do, paste it here and add tweet. We'll say success, and you are successfully added this tweet to get retweeted. Manage Twitter retweets. If you click that, and you can set the points for that. So you can see after you set it up, you can say retweet payout is you're gonna every retweet you're gonna pay 10 points. Every like that you're gonna pay 10 points for that. So the campaign will run until your points run out. After that, you can earn more points and repeat the campaign again if you want. And you can see while I'm recording the video, I already get one retweet for this post, and if you leave that happen, I'm gonna get a couple of them and get more engagement, and more people gonna notice this post. And if they click the link and they sign up for that, I earn money from CPA lead for every single sign up. This is the one way that you can do it, using a Twitter and using a website like the You Like Kids to promote your post. This is a free method, guys, and if you really like this method, leave a like and leave a comment. If you want to win a £10 PayPal money, you know the drill. Leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video. And if this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway in the next video, guys. Under that, have a good day. See you in the next video.